Alright, so this is how to install the Dog Companion mod and the Buyable Properties mod for Red Dead 2. I'm currently using the Rockstar Games launcher, so I'm not sure if this will work for Steam or Epic. But you can try it out. Let me know in the comments if it works for you or if it doesn't. It's a simple process, really. What you need to do first is figure out where your game is installed. So if you don't know where it's installed, go to settings, click on Red Dead 2 under my installed games, and click open under view installation folder, and it should open your game folder. Download the RAR and zip files in the description below. I have WinRAR to open them, but you can use whatever program like 7-zip, or I think Windows 10 has its own software to extract them, but I use WinRAR. So yeah, this is how you do it with WinRAR. You just double click it and then you literally drag all of this into your game folder. Make sure it goes into the root directory or game directory, not in any other folder. So you should have houses as a folder for buyable properties, and then if we scroll down, we have houses.asi and houses.dat or dat, and then houses.ini. And then you want to go to the ini file, right click it, edit, and it should open up a notepad file, and you want to do Arthur mode equals, and just type 1. It should be 0, but like when you first open it, but type 1, and then click file, save. If it doesn't let you save it in the game folder, then just save it to your downloads. So mine is right here, houses.ini. So if I open this one, this is what I saved. It opens up as Arthur mode equals 1, and then you just drag it and replace the old one that had Arthur mode equals 0. After you're done with that, you want to go to your dog companion, and then you just drag the ASI file and the folder. That's it. You don't need to drag these other 3 files. So just highlight both of them and then drag it again into your game folder. And then for these last 2 zip files, it's not a lot. You just drag the version.dll file. And then for script hook, you want to go to the folder called bin, and then just want to drag script hook RDR2. And then you can choose to use native trainer. I haven't though. I haven't tried it. I just wanted the script hook file, so that's all I used. The D input 8 is, I don't recommend it, like transferring it to your game folder, because its job is the same as the version.dll file. So essentially I just drag the script hook file into the game folder. What you want to do is, if you have your launcher open, just exit it, close it completely. You want to right click it, and then right click Rockstar Games Launcher, Properties, Compatibility, and you want to run the program as an administrator. So just click it, apply, and then click OK. The reason for that is because if you don't run it as administrator, sometimes the mods don't save. So for example, if you get a dog, the next time you run your game, you need to get a new dog. Basically, lost your dog. And then if you buy a property, like a house, let's say, you have to rebuy it again the next time you open the game. So it's good to run the launcher as administrator. And it'll tell you oh, you have mods installed, you could get banned, blah blah blah. So just keep that in mind. You do need to delete the files or save them somewhere else. You need to take them out of your game folder before playing online. Alright, so I spawned with my dog too. As you can see, it shows on the minimap and the map as a gray circle. And then there's a property that's available or for sale. I'm unable to buy this one because I'm broke. If you have any questions, just comment down below and I'll try my best to help out.